Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you have owner or editor rights. Without that, you cannot change data settings. Next, export the affected video ID and set a clear analytics date range so you limit noise. Then open YouTube Studio and Google Cloud Console side by side and load API credentials. Once done, enable the YouTube Data API and note any quota limits. These initial moves ensure you're positioned to diagnose instead of guessing and let you run targeted queries immediately. You'll run API calls for video statistics and metadata, and then compare those results with what Studio displays to identify discrepancies. If counts match API but not Studio, suspect processing delays. If API lags, check quota or regional outage. Make edits to metadata only through API or Studio consistently to avoid race conditions. Also inspect content ID, copyright claims, or strikes that lock metrics. Once you isolate the root cause, apply the corrective action. Clear strikes, request reprocessing, or increase quota so data flows normally. To finish, force reprocessing by editing visibility or requesting a manual review, then monitor analytics for 24 to 72 hours to confirm recovery. You should also audit any automated tools or third-party integrations that push metadata and revert recent changes if anomalies persist. Make sure to document each action, time-stamped, so you can undo steps or provide support with evidence. If things still look wrong, escalate with Google support, including exported logs and API call samples to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.